In the heart of London, at the prime location of 40 Broadway, we're working on an impressive project, 600 square meters of rooftop terraces and balconies, spread across 4 floors. The client chose our A1 Smart Ped, and that's no coincidence.
Hello, this is Christian from Preacher the Preacher. I'm showing you the A1 Smart Ped from Zoontjens. It's an amazing product, easy to be used, wind resistant, it's following the health and safety and fire regulation, quick and easy to be fixed, saves us a lot of time.
The A1 Smart Ped makes a real difference. The system is quick to install and saves a lot of labor time and therefore costs. That makes it a smart and efficient choice.
And my team, we are happy to use this kind of product.